Today, we're diving into a book that has been a game changer for investors worldwide, The 12 Axioms of Zurich. These are 12 powerful rules created by Swiss bankers and investors who mastered the art of risk and reward. Welcome to Evergreen Report, where we uncover timeless strategies for success. So what exactly are the Zurich Axioms? Think of them as a Swiss Army knife for investing. Practical, sharp, and designed to help you navigate the unpredictable world of finance. These 12 rules aren't about get-rich-quick schemes. They're about building a mindset that embraces risk, avoids greed, and stays flexible in the face of chaos. Let's break them down. First up, the major axioms. These are the big-picture principles that set the foundation for everything else. Axiom 1, on risk. Worry is not a sickness, but a sign of health. If you're not worried, you're not risking enough. Playing it safe won't make you rich. You've got to take risks, but calculated ones. Axiom 2, on greed. Always take your profit too soon. Greed is the enemy of success. Don't wait for the perfect moment to cash out. Take your wins and move on. Axiom 3, on hope. When the ship starts to sink, don't pray. Jump. If an investment is going south, don't hope it'll turn around. Cut your losses and get out. Axiom 4, on forecasts. Human behavior cannot be predicted. Distrust anyone who claims to know the future. No one knows what the market will do tomorrow. So don't rely on predictions. Rely on your instincts. Axiom 5, on patterns. Chaos is not dangerous until it starts to look orderly. Just because something seems predictable doesn't mean it is. Stay alert. Axiom 6, on mobility. Avoid putting down roots. They impede motion. Stay flexible. Don't get too attached to anyone's investment or strategy. Meanwhile, we break down the 12 Axioms of Zurich. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Evergreen Report for more timeless strategies to level up your life. Now, let's move on to the minor axioms. These are the tactical rules that help you navigate the chaos of the market. Axiom 7, on intuition. A hunch can be trusted if it can be explained. Trust your gut, but make sure you understand why you feel the way you do. Axiom 8, on religion and the occult. It is unlikely that God's plan for the universe includes making you rich. Superstition and investing don't mix. Rely on strategy, not luck. Axiom 9, on optimism and pessimism. Optimism means expecting the best, but confidence means knowing how you will handle the worst. Be prepared for anything. Axiom 10, on consensus. Disregard the majority opinion. It is probably wrong. The crowd is often late to the party. Think independently. Axiom 11, on stubbornness. If it doesn't pay off the first time, forget it. Don't throw good money after bad. Cut your losses and move on. Axiom 12, on planning. Long-term planning is a form of fantasy. The future is unpredictable, so stay adaptable and take action in the present. So how do these axioms work in real life? Let's say you're investing in stocks. You take a risk, Axiom 1, but you don't get greedy. You cash out when you're ahead, Axiom 2. If the market starts to tank, you don't hope for a miracle. You cut your losses, Axiom 3. Through it all, you stay flexible, Axiom 6, and ignore unreliable forecasts, Axiom 4. You trust your intuition, but verify it with logic, Axiom 7, and you don't follow the herd, Axiom 10. It's a mindset, a strategy, and a way of life. Here's the thing, the Zurich Axioms aren't just about money, they're about psychology. They teach you to embrace uncertainty, control your emotions, and make decisions based on logic, not fear or greed. It's about mastering your mind as much as your portfolio. At the end of the day, the Zurich Axioms remind us that life, And investing is all about balance. Take risks, but don't be reckless. Be confident, but don't be arrogant. And most importantly, never stop learning. The market will always be unpredictable, but with these 12 rules, you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. Let us know in the comments which axiom resonated with you the most. Was it the rule about risk, greed, or maybe staying flexible? Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay bold, and keep investing in yourself. See you in the next video.